Hello everyone, it's Namio, my beautiful sister, Mrs. BB. We're not complete, so I be Mrs. BB show. So that my people, what I want to talk this afternoon. Well done, welcome back from a lovely church. I hope so. Una study well and una understand what the pastor teach you now. And very important. It good say if you go church, if pastor they preach, you understand and you pick everything. You go understand that. You understand. Now very important thing. So my people, what I get to tell you now, I want advice on our people. It there for men, it there for women. Now everybody, now everybody. He gets on one of my friend like that. This my friend. He first stay for Italy. So where I work, I know this girl. I know I want to work for Ronda. So if you dey travel for night restaurant, because I said work for person for one restaurant. All those restaurant for travel for night, you come people come. I feel work for there because me right from town. I want to grow my. I want make my this thing feel they okay for me. Say I work for here for many years. Even though I did Nigeria, anywhere I come to that time, I feel they collect my passion. That be my dream. So I hope so. Say me you still be like that in Jesus' name. Amen. My people. So my people. So that one come pass. This gonna wait for the one. I'm very J. They come meet me. As they come meet me, they come they work for the same place. So another 3 blacks still dead there. So these 3 black now when they there they work. When you want to say, anybody when reach any place, any country, anywhere, now bad people now you fair welcome. Now you prefer welcome you. Me now, I personally say I dey like my own matter they hold me. I don't carry your matter for the one when you sit there now because it go too heavy. That is why I need to mind my business and what not really concern me. Before I interfere for your case, you know, say maybe I like you or you be my own. But if you see drive me say no, say not concern me, I go see you come on for your life. That not be any problem. I feel say sorry to interfere what not concern me. So that one can see that one can be another part. So this girl come, her name is Helen. Helen are very the way they look at for the beginning when they follow all the other Nigerian people they play. Now they be Benin people when they work together. Those people do not really be my friend, but just hello, of no they quarrel. Because a friend get many category. We not be friend like that, but we friend. Are you there? Are they okay? We don't come yeah, bah. So we not pass like that because they follow them, they play. One day now it can't come. Say why not they follow the answer? Now I can tell the girl say everything get your time. Things for this life get process for life. I'll come work finish. Work 8 hours. If you make a I'll cause this guy trying to go to gossip for a person room. No. If something happen, just now I can't go for a real tired one matter. That for that is normal stuff. They don't they come in for what they stupid. I what better than they come in for. So get when they look at what they do, it can't even let's say they like me past the other 3 guests. You see, so those 3 girls, now this girl a very nice person, I'm not saying I'm a bad person, at the end come my best friend. So not do. This girl when we talk so, it can't be say, they make ask me question, me go say ask a question, we can't be friends at the end. I say women, we can't be friends. I can't say like yeah, this time go say you want to go this thing, you want to go Beshka, you want to go buy so make I come up and select, you know. I said, okay, let's work together. I will see follow and go. They might go, yeah, 6 and 5. So one day I got them and said, this work, where it dey, where the work dey, it's to the now bush now. This thing, if they travel for on that side, very far bush now it dey. You don't go see house. Before you go see houses, you need to create 30 euro. Now so I want to come up for this bush. I don't come like they're not saying they're comfortable for here and the people they pay for that time and if they like me gramming they work with them for the character for the baddest thing. Now I come say I want it's where they go now. So I want to go Abasete. I want to go that you don't want my friend when he call me. He say he get one work when he come out for there. When I feel doing I want to go try him. I have 6 food there. I'll see where they stay. That I mean they stay for Madrid for Akala. Now they still that and they say Akala in Nares. So no do that. I rent one room. Oh. Now come to I come to that I will put out so come. You say when I say he will say you will pay no, you will miss my station. Where when I say I saw you be Europe, you know, not feel there together for all the days of our life. Now so Europe, maybe tomorrow if you say you want come out, you still sit down that city or another country, another place. I said now so see the talk for phone now. So he said now true. He said what that those this thing and how I go miss and I say you two like a friend. I can't they laugh. Because he said the boy I just tell this day say I want come out. After 4 days for there, I know even now maybe I'll true come out or no. I just want to say I want come out for here. In case if I come out for no say it can be I want come out now she dey sleep then if you can't come out for work in the evening, you no see me again. No say I don't maybe I not there again. No people inform am. The next thing your boyfriend say make your boyfriend help and go France, go work for that side. They say that they work for France so well. Eh? Me no know. The next thing he say they your break. He say you want to come out. No, you know what I can say you want come out too. You know say now you could talk say me want come out leave. You know see you now. He said no. He said ask me when you come out. The thing me only one answer. Your friends not there the way you feel no. He said I need better pass. I said without bito. I said you dey give person sense. They are. He said mama na you the bomb pass. All those people they too they talk, they too they gossip people. They also now they gossip. He say no. He say but in still life for them those kind of people now say well don't gossip them. You are gossip now you should do so. The next thing my people. Before I wake up, you say why I want come on. Now say maybe I never know maybe next week now I'll come on. I just say this guy he not come. Now say I can't go ask her. Who they forgot for? Let's say don't go. I say don't go. After 1 week, I still say my phone ring. As my phone ring, now I pick my call. Oh, who is this? He said, France call this thing. Mama, this thing. This thing go give some of it go give some of now a lesson, and it's good to be truthful. You understand? It's good to know the talk truth. Now, truth, but if the Bible say, now truth, now it will set you free. People will say we're not supposed to the light.
Have a coffee, please. Another Americano.
Yeah, I will give now. I'm coming, my people. I want to do Americano for one UK guy. I'm coming. So my people, now so I see them. You got to be truthful. They say for this, like people want to say you know go they lie to your lawyer, your papa, your mama, your doctor, police. Don't lie to them. If you don't lie to them, if you get any problem, if you give these people your teacher, not for the teacher say you know person. Let them you can't say you go see how your brain reach, because it go teach you. If you say you too know, so you want to do something and you know pass, you don't go come off for where you did, and that now you go there. So now be the thing for this life. As I said, person call me na France call, name not there. I be don't want pick am. When I say pick this call, now I come pick am. I say, who is this? He said, na me, Becky, na me, Becky, na me. Where you there? You changed. Why you like this one? I know. He said, no, they don't say no. They tell me say you know there. I'm coming, my people. You say na you Becky, yeah, Helen. I say Helen. Hey, that's where you there. Got the appearance of So never say na say na next come on go. Where they go for here? Oh. This is called Americano. Come in. It's not coming yet. It's not. people. I go get 5 person cafe, Americano. So, now say, when you come there, me I see sit down, my beautiful people. I said, oh, son, so I don't sit tired. I can sit down. He say, in the France, so he say, make I come, say, here, go full land, make me type of go full land. I say, wow, you come from? I say, I don't think come from, so. And I say, I don't even like France. Why they come to France, I could follow, because they say me like France, and therefore, say, no, what to be I like, one minute, you get where you go today, your spirit go, your like there. Anyhow, so that's why I don't be where I all like. I don't say France, they okay, they get money small, but don't be say I want to make my life. No, so I don't like them. I don't go come. So he say me I know what. He say go bring the money. If you don't bring the money, if they spray for me, I will like that. Now come they joke or come they laugh. Now say, okay, me you take, me you relax your body. Me want come out for work. So now say this number, I feel safe. I say just make I use the note to save. That's okay. Oh. Now say I will save. After 2 days for there, my phone still ring. I not call. My phone still ring. I say ring now. I pick up. So I pick the call. I got that this saver. My friend. He said, I mean, I say I know that this saver. I say you there. He say they fine. I say I never they call and I say I don't want to disturb you. I don't know what when you they do. I don't come say maybe you they sleep or you they walk. I can't go to disturb you. So now I make and say no for the call. And I said me know what is I go they call now. So he could say me make I come out tomorrow. Now I say no worry. If I close, I will call you. No worry. You might have your phone. Tomorrow you now by calling I call. I call and say the line you are calling is incorrect. The line you are calling is incorrect. The next you start French. They speak French. Now maybe if they sleep or maybe wait for the work. Maybe network no really dead there. I just forget because in they do hair well. Yeah, hair when they do in the other to now. Now I call relax. I call rest. After one day, that they confirm. The next day, I have a say person call me. Na France call. I say come now sir. I know be the number, my friend number. Another call. Now so be they say na me, your friend. I bet me call my husband because I know your husband. Let me come out and say police don't catch me. Now say police catch you. You shouldn't be making this for the phone go call just now. I be tell make you carry lawyer. Now say carry lawyer. What will be your name? Should not Helen and the paper. You got to do make sure your papa name. You know. Now okay, make I call my lawyer for here. That I at the same time I can call Elena. Nobody will say no law and Elena or Lucia from Madrid. You know yours. Who don't the same? I go know them. As I can't call Elena and Elena I can't call my Elena like my in a Lucia now they use. As I not really get Lucia number. If I call Elena will give me the number of Lucia. So I can't call Elena can't say when you document I may do some things to tell help her for that side. What they document I don't know that I said document we carry go let not be you. I don't understand the situation. Now so make I he say that I give an information I could call your husband for here for Madrid. I call your husband. Your husband say before you come out go France, go thing you do for here no be small thing. That's what happen. He say he come meet one girl for his house. Now so you take because down now person will be see the jealousy and that spirit no good eh. He say you know they want make it the see even though his sister say go this be na girlfriend and they never marry they be the big boyfriend and girlfriend and you no go want make it see with a woman and before these things happen before my friend make a mistake for one thing before you go France so I can't ask my girlfriend Helly where your house dey you come tell me say you say you get house so if you could turn down for what na near Uniben and that lady and if you build a house and that's how the place you see the ban say guys get too flat oh and then with my mama papa dey now I believe am where you for come say na from Usien na so you talk now say I don't even know that we send here and say they talk like Yoruba but I don't really know where they follow enter I say if they come for this thing and you offer it just say one day when they forgot I go Nigeria you go show me I'll go na village go when they laugh before you come on go France my people. Can you imagine? I call up I call your boyfriend be your husband. Your husband say his boyfriend say as they come for work that day he see woman for parlor you know your stop na so you take go kitchen. As you go kitchen, you carry what they call am hot water pour for the girl body. He say na him save that girl. Me that hot water no. He say he know what he want. He no know say he go do am. He say na even do like say he want your condemn person. So today he could use that cloth take cover the water they come, and the water can go pour for the girl belly for him to pour for that girl face. For what I want to hear your a pillow and ya block of the no time. Say the water can go pour for. Hola, dime.
Hola, buenas. ¿Me puedes cambiar mayonesa para comprar trabajo?
Sí, te coco 5.
Oh,
Isso só nasceu de voltar quando eu coloquei pour for the girl hand and belly. I did like. So I take a pour for the girl hand and the belly. So that's why you just stay. Quand on bosse, quand on est chat, quand on bronze. A bronze, quand on belle the girl for a là, ben non tossé na. C'est un mec quick. You pay for when you get for his house. No, no, say you pay when you give her. When you take comment go France. C'est d'après pas. Wa aswa gile. Eye begwe. Awo wega une o mudia. Que the repercussions no da semena. Awo pay for ne tous les ya hier, ba do na. Ai ma ge baba mi ame gbolo ni kunjo wa no. Oyo pa. Ya ri do ni ari mo emi do. Ala mi na de ten no mo gbe wan ki de prisoner France ri ya fi are Nigeria. Me bo de go wan ba de tin de on va be tin person just call me my phone dey ring me the back. My sister when I go me for where I go for go work. He carry the phone. Say na hello, na say na Nigeria come of the hello Nigeria come. I said what is dey happen? I call the line back. They call the line back. He said don't reach Nigeria in the Lagos. They don't leave them. Now people dey Lagos for waiting. He said they don't deport them. Now say don't deport. Now say how you deport you? Something happen. So they can't deport. Now say that's so life you rich. Say entire or he say not everyone dey say for person body. So now say hey God, where you want to stay now? He said no, he said no get one and not follow. They never go and maybe say they want to go Benin. After they not they give, and after you not to say you get this as for Italy because they bring money for you now. You take go sleep hotel this night. Tomorrow morning you go Benin. He say no get sister and line and the last to miss is there. You don't get sister for here. He say no. I know you're blaming at the moment because I don't want to talk to them. I say hey God though. And then you call your pastor, see what happened to you. If you still get credit for when you come and let me get them. Now go Samaritan I see give them. When you tell you everything will happen to. Now say hey, don't be true, shy. You know they give them money, they deport you. Now say my sister. Now I can't run go say 50 years. Go give them. For Lagos here. I can't say I send her 50 euro that instantly. You know I've reached 2 hours, I don't receive the money. This one they have to take go Benin. Go Benin. Can't bring one person this thing for me. I want to send her for airport. And he has said they go need again. Papa they receive they come buy ticket go Benin. I said the money when you make for you, he still call me back. As he call me, hey, I can't be this thing. Hey, God save me. As he still call me back, I surprised he say he know where he want to go. He don't come down for his jar motor. You don't get too far for near being one if you one if you also what is that thing? Na walking, everything for this life get repercussion. Everything for this life get repercussion. Everything for this life get repercussion. I'll see to this video now. Two things I want to tell you. I'll see to another one of my sister girlfriend. What happened to her? Now you're the Europe. What is happened to that one? God of Almighty. So now so the thing can't be. Now say you know get house or you need the way say you be too far away my part day. Or it could not from the or the big man mono fear. If they come na mono fuere have you no. Okay, gafu. He got me say no, he say that na line they tell me. He dey say because in the shame. See because me say me don't do something, go house. Na me fair enter na if I enter pass me enter Europe, nothing to show. You know the all the money where you make, it give the boyfriend. The house when you say he build, now with the boyfriend that money, they gonna he use the husband a boyfriend when they talk so we can go to for France looking at fake paper. Now we thank God na in money but na take bad. I say you never build your own house. You dey build for matter well. No, I don't want to talk to you now. The solution where you want go stay. You say no get where you want go stay. Now I say no get where you want go stay. That's what they talk. So I never even finish my house, my people. I never finish my house. So now I say, hey, you know, give no go stay. He say no. Now come mama. Cause mama not dey like all those salabo. They call when salabo mean tafiat again. Mama not dey like at all. I don't know what to explain myself to mama. My mother na person be say e dey like this. Don't be mother of like this or like this. He don't care who you are. Hey, now say God, which kind of friend be this one? Which kind of temptation? I said, well, when you wait for where you did, it can't be a person when you spend how many years for Europe? Guess, more open eye. More after they save for yourself. Before now they look. Ah God, I don't want to talk too much, man. What happened that during period? So when they listen you. Now so it can't be. Now I come take make I call my mama first. I call my mama. That's about Jay. I told her back. I know you like to my mama. So those like we say you talk and they cash you and don't get time. Now so my mama say one of my friends they deported from France. You see my friend say where which mama come ask me. He say where which country the girl be. That's which country the person say which country they be. Not be Benin person. That's what you see here. Oh, there you be mama you see where I tell the person for. So I say na friend na. Na friend I go must know people. If you don't come from you know people. He said that one na trouble me. The list you. Mama say okay. He say oh, he's sorry for Ramo. He say hell. He say mama ask me what. He say whether you don't take for Euro. Now I say but then quickly. Then first me on Euro. He say what me want me ne? What be me ask so the more no ikba. A business here affect do many business they be know what they do. If you know how to do business, you know go stuff girl make you marry for you make it the bomb. Not as all those women they or mama they do talk now. I don't want that mama say he empty come. I know after disgrace. Mama now say they seize all your property, all your money. He said the one we say for Nigeria, you want to start. I say mama, first of all, take her enter house. He said for a house for even not get mama say you not get papa say he not say girl. Mama say what you put to mama and papa? They don't they play. Now say then they play. But mama, you know you never do anything. No, they work like that for 1 day Euro. Mama say what am I gonna play? Okay, I'm not here. You go. That guy na go and go here. Then they talk to the don't they here. Yeah, mama go they talk to on this one. So mama you as you up now say come beg mama beg mama. Mama say why in let go let enter here. Cause then you have come do that for her. Cause mama get house for Benin. Say why go let her enter his house? And because say me I be good daughter. I never tell am lie. You say he don't know where the waka they go and waka they come. Make it come. If he come, he go carry and go meet him mama, beg the parents. As the children come, he comes sleep. When they break, he never get cloth to wear. The cloth take the porter. Now he follow and go. Now that cloth yesterday, but this is them. My cousin come bath. Clothes when they pack, they come. Mama come give my clothes. Hold on, this make it wear. Proof day. Video day. The video, they look at the video and they started and they see the thing what they don't tell they see cassette. This is never very common like that. All those CD. Now cassette now I get. So mama come carry and go to mama place so. To carry and go mama place. Come to say call the tour in the come greet say mama and papa then good. Mama said that they pray make person not born back to king. You said they agree, say, you come Naomi, even go Naomi. You come, Heli. Yes, I come. What happened? Which you come? Hey, you come with borrow. You know what? I see you now. We if you want to have deal what? See, here go. Because I tell you, win. Or mona, women don't need that what? You go with Emma. Emma. We know you're or antique after many years, not baby. Where will be? Don't know what matter the women away can't tell with me. You go near 1 year boy now we in your friend the ya bo my head. You know what wow then I wear me this we are going to go oh one oh well wogole ni we iko wo ya bo fo negbo ya bo owa izi na gu na mo ari oge baba ani ga bolo gbe oge baba a mo ese oni egwa mo ari egwa e ma no be na be kana na bi obu obe we no wi obu ya pa wi obu o we no tu fe wa mo metene tu fla de gbozano ige don ko e oro we gele mata we gele tana ta mi joe ni ari egwa na te yenta me baba ga mo no ba to pe ai tamario e baba ga yi na tin an wa do temata aka mi yo be gwa na make na mi wani na mu we no so say abo na mu we no so say ya bo
Prince, have you got bread?
na mu we no so say ya be o wa na gozo na to no we no go be enti gbe ana ho ga no bia go ye rie opun ozenu we do ana ina go ye ho ije na go be maberio oni je no bion but ya he kono le la ya wa renti mo me kona me na ma anya wa renti ma jo ya me keno just stay you we poro wa renti ye je hola renti ya je so this thing make I on this call I will talk and finish here. I love you guys, stay blessed and take care. Bye.